Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you pair your Bluetooth speaker to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to pair your Bluetooth speaker, so as you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth speaker in our Vivo phone. So guys, now let's see how to pair it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to pair. And guys, first of all guys, we will on our Bluetooth speaker. And guys, press on your Bluetooth option also friends. Then guys, you will pair, otherwise not. Then guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting. And guys, click on your Bluetooth setting. So I we will on our Bluetooth. So you can see this new device. So guys, pair new device. So you want to pair guys this speaker. So as you can see guys, your speaker name. So as when you will click your speaker name, then guys, you can see this option pairing. Then it will pair automatic in your Vivo phone. As you can see, wait and watch. So you can see guys, pair and guys for call and media. So as you can pick up call also here like this. As you can see this. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair a Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video.